If you are trying to delete one photo from multiple photos on your Instagram post on your Instagram after posting, but not sure how, then this video is for you. Today in this video, we'll be guiding you on how you can delete a single photo from a multiple photo post on Instagram after you've already posted it. Previously, the only way to make changes was to delete the entire album and re-upload it, which was time consuming. You'd have to rewrite the caption, search for hashtags, and edit photos again from scratch. But now, Instagram has introduced a new feature that makes this process much easier. To get started, make sure you have Instagram app updated to the latest version. Once your app is updated, open it and go to the post you want to edit. Tap on the three dots located at the top of the post. Then select the edit option from the menu. Now, you'll see a bin icon on each photo in the post. Tap on the bin icon on the photo you want to delete. A pop-up menu will appear, and you simply need to confirm by tapping delete. Now, the selected photo will be removed from your post. You can repeat this process for any other photos you want to delete from that post. Once you are satisfied, tap the done button at the top right corner of your screen to save your changes. And that's it. You successfully removed a photo from a multiple photo post on Instagram. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more.